esophagus. Nakaangat mo kaya sa akin? Esophagus. Ventricle of the heart. Artery of the heart. Lungs. Liver. Stomach. Spleen.
Anong amay mo?
Small intestine. Mesentery. Urinary bladder. And large intestine.
Ismalis Maaya.
Sana yung siya na
Ventricle of the heart. Arterial of the heart. Esophagus. Mesentery. Small intestine. Liver. Liver mo. Stomach. Spleen. Large intestine. Urinary bladder.